Today I am going to explain about explicit declaration and implicit declaration. Here, uh, here is the code base of uh, Go. Then, firstly, I add var number. I add uint 5. Here, I am going to print number. Here I am going to save this and run. It will receive 5. Here this is explicit declaration. It means the data type is already defined. That means data type is explicitly defined. Okay, we can get the type of the data type just like this. Then I save and run. Here I can comment this and run. Here uint data type will receive. This is explicit declaration because data type is defined at first. I can run like this and save, and I can run. It is int. This is implicit because we let to the PC to language to guess the data type. Here language guess the data type. It guess as int. We not define the data type. This is implicit declaration. Okay. Here we can't. Here once we define, we can't define a string or something. It will receive error. We can change only as a int because here in this step the declaration and variable type assign will be happen. Okay, here we can I am going to write only necessaries, then I can run. Here this is int. We can remove var and add as this operation. This is called value operation. Then it is also receive the data type as int. This is value operation. Then we can remove var from the beginning. Here now I am going to explain default value of data types. That means I can write data type and as int I am going to get default value of data types. Okay, then I am going to run. I save this and run. Here this is int. I am going to get the value. I am going to get the default value. Then I save this and run. this is 0. For int, this is 0. For boolean, it is false. For plot 32, it is 0. And also for string, it is none. That is empty. I think you understand explicit declaration and implicit declaration as well as the default value of data types. Thank you.